So just picking up where the last video left off. I got my pit dug. I'm gonna start burning this stuff. Get it out of my way. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start 2 fires. I'm gonna start one on this end and then one on this end. I dug it pretty wide, probably, I don't know, 20-25 feet wide. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna split this in half. Hold up half of it right here. And the other half. Or do one-handed. Take the other half down here. $100 worth of fuel on here. Guess I could video it. Okay. So let me grab some dryer stuff up there and get ready to set this down. I'm gonna light it and I'll hurry up and set stuff on it, get it going, and then pile the big stuff on. Well, I finally got the little low fire going. It's been a headache. Still keep an eye on the coolant. Yeah, I tried to do 2 little fires and couldn't get it hot enough, so wasted probably $60 worth of diesel on it. That ain't no joke. I didn't have anything dry or whatever to really kindle the fire, but see, that little spot didn't make it. But this should be hot enough. It's going pretty good now. I got some big stuff in there where it burned down overnight, and it'll give me some coals for tomorrow. But yeah, I didn't have anything dry to really start the fire with, and it's been a nightmare. I've got stuff scattered everywhere, but it is what it is when it's soaking wet. So I'm gonna call it a day, and I think I'm gonna go have a margarita. See y'all tomorrow. Well, we got a new toy to play with. Let's see what we got. The old Steel 261. Get another chainsaw because I got tired of sharing mine with my dad. He needs one back here to run the sawmill. He said he wanted something to do, so I found him something to do. So anyway, let me get some gas in this thing and oil and get her broke in, and then we're gonna go work on a 309. All right, so we're here back on the job with a 309 sitting. And can't remember where the last video left off. Anyway, got the burn pit dug. I've been burning a lot. starting to open up in here a little bit. I got stuff out of the way, but I cut me a ditch right here to try to catch the groundwater, because up in that end it's pretty soft. I can see it's getting a little bit of water in it. Oh, and there's another soft spot right here. I just got tired of marring up, so I just dug it out and laid it out, see if it would dry up some. It's been pretty good weather the past couple of days, so the old burn pit. I'll stack all that up and get it back going. I was here last night till 10:30 watching the kind of watching everything, because we had an accident. Come over here yesterday morning and stacked the fire back up, and then I had to go to another job with a 306, and a few hours later, well, it was a while later, he called me and said, hey, fire got out. Luckily it didn't really do nothing, just kind of burnt the dead leaves off. What had happened is one of those big dead trees over there got on fire. There's that one, and then there's another one down through there that one of the dead limbs caught on fire. It dropped embers down and caught the ground on fire. I've seen that happen a time or two before. You wouldn't think that it would make it shoot 50 yards through there, but it did. And which, you know, stuff happens, just got to be careful. I'm showing you this because it can happen. It's never happened to me before until now, but you would think that as wet as it's been, wouldn't have to worry about it, but it's been windy too, so it's dried out the leaves and stuff. Which the fire department, they did come, because the homeowner was a little worried, so she just went ahead and called them, because I was about 30 minutes away. But they had already came and left by the time I even got here. But they said they had put out 6 that day. You know, it's kind of the same thing, so it is what it is. It's gonna happen more, I'm sure, but y'all just have to be careful. Have to watch, check your surroundings. You never would have thought that tree way off in the woods would caught fire, but it did. But luckily nothing was damaged. But I wouldn't be burning this close to something if there was a house or something close by that could catch on fire. If this happened, you know, I would move way on the way. But anyway, so today I'm going to knock out these bigger trees, because what I'm going to do, it's supposed to rain storm tomorrow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this piled back up and get it burnt back down, and it shouldn't rain. I know it won't rain enough to smother my coals out, and then the next day I can come back and start piling it back on. I don't want to keep piling on if I can't be here to watch it burn on down. But either way, all right, well, I'm gonna set y'all up out here, and I'm gonna knock these big pines over and get them logged out. I can probably get a couple good logs out of those. I'm gonna try to anyway, because I need some pine for the sawmill. All right. Man, that one was a doozy. Alright, let's get these cut up. Okay, so I got the two big trees logged out and somewhat cleaned up. I'm not gonna burn anymore tonight. I'm just kind of let that fade out. But I did do some a little more clearing up in there. It's kind of setting everything to the side, making my way in. I got to go straight yonder way to find the road to kind of see where we're at on the property. I think right in here is where they're going to build the house. Kind of crest right here. But yeah, that's a big stump. I mean, I'm 5'8" on a good day. It's a big tree. Let me measure it. I can find the butt end. Well, it's in all those daggum. We'll measure across right here. Well, so the second cut is right at 2 feet. So it's probably another, let's just see, give y'all an idea. All right, bear with me. Yeah, so 2 feet, 28 inches roughly. So nearly a 30-inch pine tree. The 309, it'll get some work done. Other than that shitty thumb, but catch, I gotta do better. Can't make all this horsepower and give it some rinky-dink thumb. All right, I see the coolant. The line was. That's where it's at now. Of course, it's hot. So when it cools down, it should pull more fluid in there, which means it'll be less in the tank. Yeah. Oh well. I still love the machine. Not hating on it, but it may have some issues. Okay, so I'm gonna knock off there for today and go home, grab a bite to eat. I'll see y'all later.